Okay, here's our 1962 Cadillac.
Hey, yeah, welcome to the 1962 Cadillac show.
We're sort of stuck here by Trader Joe's here on a main thoroughfare.
Here, let me put our fender cover on there.
Yeah, good idea. Now, you said the fuel pump is doing what?
I think the pressure valve popped out of the pump, I think.
So what are we gonna have to open up the pump and bang it down?
Yeah, that's the thought.
Why didn't we buy a new pump?
I have a new pump in the trunk.
Why didn't we put the pump on before?
It's a pain in the ass to put in.
How much of a pain in the ass? How much of a pain in the ass is this?
This is easy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's what I think it is.
Merry Christmas to you. You sure that's it?
I've had it apart before.
On the road like this?
Yeah. One time it was starving. It was running, but on the highway it was like woo, woo, woo.
Right.
Get out and the thing was
right.
loosey.
Right. Goofy woofy.
Not. I got the extra pump in the trunk. We'll be changing the pump here.
Right.
I'm not looking forward to that.
Me too. Yeah, get that out of the way.
Get out of the way there, Joe.
So if you have a 62 Cadillac and all of a sudden it decides to run out of gas with a full tank, this is what you should look for.
Yeah, this is an Airtex pump here, and for those in the Cadillac land know, the Airtex pump sucks. It's very troublesome. Mine lasted for 2.5 years without problems.
Right.
And then the problems started.
And they persist.
And lazy me hasn't changed it yet.
That's right. Now, what are we looking at? An empty pump.
Yeah, that's not too promising.
No, that doesn't look too good.
What happens is this thing will come loose.
And it didn't come loose.
No.
So now we're screwed. We think something kicked loose in the tank. The tank's pretty clean, though.
Tank's clean.
One's the in, one's the out. How's that work?
I'm not positive on the operation.
Well, this is the one that feeds in, and that one's the feed out. So you gotta, you gotta say.
If you hammer this one, it'll go in, which I learned the hard way. This one, you can hammer it down. So I'm gonna do that. Can you?
Can I do what?
Hold the light.
Hold the light and take the pictures at the same time?
Yeah. Well, I got a hammer and aim.
All right. Do you think the cap, loosen the cap would help?
Which cap?
The cap on the tank.
It's not vented, but it shouldn't matter. There's a, I mean, we can try that.
I would try that. Maybe the gas covered a vent or something. I don't know. Oh, now you're in trouble. Now you're in trouble. Oh, okay. And look, they're regular screws, so you can take it off with your dime. That's when you're on the road, on the farm. These Cadillacs always end up on the farm.
That's right.
Now we're getting dry. Open up the cap! Now, when we're doing this, we're not going to grind the starter into putty. Time to call flatbed?
No.
No.
No, I say.
Okay. Right. Now you're going to attempt to put a pump on.
Yeah.
Okay, it comes out forward, right? Or how's that? Really weird. Open the side?
Yeah.
Pump ready to go in.
I don't think we have a winning combination of extensions here.
We don't have the right stuff.
Well, I have maybe a shorter one.
Cadillac pride.
That's right, pride in the possession here.
You possess a bad pump. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
If it's not the pump.
We got big trouble.
Okay, we got the new pump. We're trying to put it together. Tighten it up a little bit more, will you? Give it another tug. Okay, don't go nuts. You think?
Something, get the position right, I think. What are we doing wrong? We got that.
Okay.
That ain't moving, so.
Okay.
Must have been confused here.
Maybe put one bolt in it? 2 bolts in it, maybe. How good did it come out? Did it spring?
Not bad.
Alright, should be able to line it up. Yeah, it looks like you're sideways. Shut it off!
Quick!
What happened? A hose reeked?
Yeah, hit the belt.
You got any tape?
Yeah, maybe. Have to tape it until we get home.
Right. Sorry. Okay, you're all set. New pump.
Yeah, I guess we're all set.
Okay.